Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas and today we're going to be building a pallet. There's various different styles you can go with. As you can see here, I chose to do mine 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters, divided that by 24 to find that it would be 5 centimeters square. I then put two strips of double-sided sticky tape 5 centimeters apart on the craft mat here. And I'm using some coffee stirrers that you get free from takeaway coffee places, like Starbucks, places like that. Used some old sprue cutters to cut them off at the end, then into 5 centimetre lengths, like so. Give them a quick sand if they're a bit sharp at the end. I then put down the two end pieces, so this one here, and then another one 5 centimetres below. And I used some super glue gel to fix these together. You could use wood glue or PVA or school glue, something like that, but the cure time will be a lot longer. Then turned it into a square like so, and then used the grid on the craft mat to find the middle piece. Decided to do two more on either side like so. So that's 7 cross pieces in total. Then used a little bit more super glue underneath once that had all cured to make those twice as thick, as you can see so far. And then did another one in the middle. Again, the squares on the craft mat really help to position these correctly. Pretty happy with it so far. Now these are all nailed in place, so I used a black Biro, just pushed it in and gave it a little mark to simulate the nails, and then I used some Tamiya steel weathering set here to kind of just give it a light weather, make it look like it's been used. I then did 3 more cross pieces underneath on either end and in the middle. And there it was done. This can be used in dioramas or for photo opportunities like here with these wheels and this helmet. This is a really simple technique. Hope you find it useful. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you soon.